In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Zoho WorkDrive quickly and efficiently. Zoho WorkDrive is a powerful tool for managing your documents and collaborating with your team. Let's get started with setting up synchronization so you can harness its full potential right on your desktop. The first step in getting Zoho WorkDrive up and running on your computer is to download and install the WorkDrive TrueSync desktop app. This app is tailored for different operating systems, so make sure you download the correct version compatible with your system. Head to Zoho's website or the appropriate app store, locate the WorkDrive TrueSync app, and initiate the download. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it to start the installation process. With the app installed, you're now ready to sign in. Use your Zoho WorkDrive account credentials, which typically include your email and password. If you're new to Zoho WorkDrive, you will need to create an account on their platform first. Once you've successfully signed in, you may want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The app icon will appear in your system tray or menu bar. This is your gateway to accessing the app's features and settings. At this point, we need to adjust some settings to customize your sync preferences. Click on the WorkDrive icon and navigate to the Settings menu. This is where you set your sync strategy. Depending on your needs, you can choose either selective or full sync. For those who want to conserve space on their local drive, selective sync allows you to choose specific folders to keep in sync with your computer. Alternatively, full sync ensures all content from your WorkDrive is mirrored on your desktop. Next, you'll need to choose a location on your computer for the sync folder. This will be where all your WorkDrive content gets stored locally. The location can be customized to fit your organizational needs, whether that's a specific directory or a designated external drive. Once you've decided, confirm your choice within the settings. After setting up your preferences, you're ready to start the sync process. Simply click the option to begin. The app will now work behind the scenes to ensure your chosen files are consistently updated and available both locally and in the cloud. This ongoing sync process facilitates seamless access to your documents, ensuring you're always working with the most current versions. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Zoho WorkDrive to sync with your desktop. By following these steps, you can enjoy streamlined access to your files, making collaboration and document management more efficient. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of Zoho WorkDrive.